Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If you come and call this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments and share, okay? And to all my new subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for subscribing. To my OGs, thank you guys for always and always coming back. So guys, you're making scone. This scone they call it, yes. See here, this is so good. This is so yummy. If you have kids, then try this out for them this holiday. They are going to love it. Like you're going to enjoy this. So guys, without wasting much time, let us dive into this video. So here I have my clean and dried bowl. So I'm going to start now by measuring all my ingredients. Okay, I'll start with the dry ingredients. I'll be leaving all the measurements and the ingredients I use in the description box. So please check it out. Alright. So I just added 1 cup of flour and I'll be going in with the other half of my flour. And then I'll be adding in my baking powder. I will go in with a pinch of salt. If you are using salted butter, there's no need for you to add salt. But if you are using margarine like what I used, you can add in just a bit of salt, okay? So I'll be working with my hands now. I'll use my hands to mix the butter and the flour mixture until the butter is well mixed in the flour mixture. Okay. So this is what it should look like after mixing. I added my sugar. I didn't know it wasn't started. So now I'll add in my milk. I'll be going in with my milk bit by bit, okay, so that I can be in control of the consistency I'm looking for. So I'm just going to mix everything until it forms a dough. So guys, here is it. I'm going to allow this to rest for 15 minutes. I will cover and allow to rest for 15 minutes. And while this is resting, I'll be preheating my oven. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, okay? Like this video and leave your comments for me in the comment section, okay? Always leave your comments for me and don't forget to share my video, alright? So I'm just going to cover it now and I will let it rest for 15 minutes. So guys, I'm going to transfer this to my working surface and I'll be flouring my working surface so that my butter will not be sticking on the surface, okay? So I didn't know that when I was cutting it, it wasn't showing. So I used that small plate to cut it because I don't have a cutter. And here is what I have. This is the shape. Okay. Now I'm going to be brushing it with my remaining milk. So I'm just using the milk to brush it. And now I'm going to transfer this into the oven and I'm going to bake this for 12 minutes, okay, in my preheated oven. And guys, 12 minutes later, our scone is ready. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out. And don't forget to leave your comment for me, like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay, and share my videos, okay, share my videos to your friends, share it with everybody. All right, thank you guys so much for always watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.